Hi and welcome to Koh Samui.
Hello.
It is our third time actually, but we haven't been here in ages. So
Very long time.
Very long time. 11 years.
11 years.
To be exact. So in this video we will try to show you, because we know that it can be quite overwhelming when you come to a place like this, where to stay,
what to expect.
Exactly, which hotel, how are the prices. So we're going to visit different areas of the island, and we're going to also show you maybe different types of hotel and
different types of beaches, different types of night markets.
Exactly. So we'll start in Chaweng and then we'll build our way up to the last part, to here. And we are starting off in Chaweng in a 3-star resort. The name is Koh Beach Club.
Koh Beach Club and Restaurant.
We're going to breakfast. Let's see. We went on a walk to the north side of the hotel, and so far the nicest stretch of sand we found was in front of Casa de Mar. Shallow but extremely soft.
Yeah.
But at low tide there's not really much swimming in this area.
But I don't know how it looks like in high tide.
Yeah.
Because I think in high tide, I'm not sure you can walk all the way here.
The hotel had nice, big, clean rooms, and I think that for €43 per night with breakfast, it was a really good deal.
So we got Penang curry with tofu, rice, and of course some papaya salad. I can't resist it, sorry.
How does it smell?
Like proper curry.
We recommend it, or let's see, give it 4 to 6 hours, but we'll put the text in if anything happens. Nah, joking, it was excellent.
Greenbird Thai food. In 7-Eleven, I found Thai milk tea. So let's see.
Tummies are full, now it's time to walk to the southern part of the beach. Let's see. This is a very fine stretch of sand.
Yeah.
I have to say.
Obviously, the beach where we are staying is actually the worst.
Yeah. But this here, you can actually go swimming, and it's really soft and really wide.
Yeah. I would definitely next time stay in this area.
Let's quickly use the sunshine. We are directly in front of the Sentara resort, and the beach here is
Also nice, yeah.
yeah. Just a quick side note, if you have to exchange money, don't do it on the street because the rate is horrible. Come to Central Samui. Here you have official banks, and they have normal rates. You can lose like 4 baht for €1. When we booked the hotel, we didn't really know where all the action on Chaweng is.
It's right here.
I think
so, if you want a nice beach, don't book this area, but you will have some party and action in the evening. If you want a nice beach, book down there.
To the south. Okay, so now we're on the street. are back at our beloved restaurant. We'll have dinner and see you tomorrow. Hotel number 1 did its job. Yeah, but now to the next one. The next one is a 4-star, I think, on Lamai, a place where we actually were before in 2009. It looks completely different. Maybe we'll throw in some old pictures. A quick room tour.
So it's 42 euro without breakfast. A room.
Right, right.
With a lovely view actually. Yeah. And the bathroom. It's a little dark, but it has a hot tub. Yeah, it will do the job. It's clean and looks clean. But let's see how the pool is and how the beach is here. If it's still the same as 14 years ago.
So far, I think we like the bar and restaurant scene on Lamai a little bit better than Chaweng.
Yeah, they have beautiful cafes. We will show you some in the next days. We found a vegan eatery where we just saw that the lady cooks at home. So we're having the daily menu for 120 baht.
Lamai Beach. I would say maybe not, the sand is not as soft as it is on Chaweng, but it's better for swimming.
Yeah, yeah. It's not that shallow.
Yeah, you can actually
It's not
go in.
that affected with low tide. You can go in. There are many water sports, hotels, beach bars. Yeah.
A little bit of a quieter vibe, but very nice, I have to say.
Yeah,
I think I prefer it a little bit.
Yeah, me too. Absolutely. We are in pure vegan heaven and we're having a vegan breakfast feast. I have fresh spring rolls. We have a Thai chai latte, a normal latte, obviously with oat milk, a curry, and a mango passion fruit smoothie. So let's dig in now.
So far, amazing. This is the best meal we've had in the 5-6 days. We're going to Grandmother and Grandfather Rock. The name because they resemble certain organs. Let's see. We came to a viewpoint. There's a fence with a door, it was open, so
It wasn't marked, so we just went up.
I guess it's open. But it looks good because I think they're doing some work here, so new color, new painting.
New fence.
Looks good. Overlap stones.
Yeah,
There are two.
there too. On Google Maps there. Overlap stone 1, camping view. which is the one we are showing you
Now,
before, or not.
200 baht.
200 baht per person.
Exactly.
It's a nice view, but not worth the 200 baht if you ask me.
But then you go
Now,
up.
we're going to Overlap Stone 2.
I think on Google Map it's Overlap Stone naturally.
Or something like that, yeah.
You park the bike and then you have to walk
Hike.
because this
600 meters or something. Do not drive here.
Nah.
Let's see how much entrance is here. We'll tell you up there.
How is the spiciness?
Quite spicy. Another one without chili, so I can enjoy.
Mango sticky rice in Crystal Bay.
For breakfast.
Yeah. So there are a few resorts here, but we just came by motorbike. It is really nice. The weather's not the best today, but this is the nicest beach on Koh Samui
Yeah.
so
yeah.
far, definitely.
We've seen pictures from the Seychelles, and I think this is quite close to it with those big rocks.
With those boulders, yeah.
The sand is really soft and white. I think this must be beautiful in sunny weather. But today it's nice, but
We hope to see it in sunny weather, but if you look behind us,
or in front of us, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 showers out there.
yeah, it's still beautiful and very quiet. We had to change the hotel. Unfortunately, Weekender was a little bit run down, at least the basic room that we had, so we moved a little bit on Lamai Beach to the south, to Koh Samui Palace, 62 euro per night. Looks good. A great afternoon activity, especially if you visit in the rainy season as we did, is a cooking class. There's a wide range of cooking classes to choose from on the island. We decided for the one on Lamai Beach. The kitchen was right at the beach, so the view was really nice. It was 1800 baht per person. We learned to cook 5 dishes. The recipes were easy to follow. You get a cooking book for home so that you can cook the things that you learned at home. All our dishes were vegetarian, but of course you can also do it in the meat version, so that is a great recommendation. But now to the north, to Bophut.
Are in Bophut. This is our last destination on Samui, and we moved to a 5-star hotel. Bathroom, I think it's a little small. but looks nice with everything what one needs. Mini bar, nuts. We can get ice if we want, free of charge. Big television, big bed, and a nice garden terrace. We got some complimentary fruit and the garden terrace. With a lovely day deck.
It's off to one of our favorite features of the hotel, the breakfast buffet. Hello. So now to Kopangan.
Let's go, full moon party.
Yeah, we just missed the full moon party actually. Yeah, the water sports kayaks and stand-up paddles are free. You just take it and you can stay out as long as you want. And that is a nice perk, I would have to say. There is a downside to our hotel here. Everything is really expensive. That's why
Our favorite time of the day, of the hour.
that also means spa treatments. The cheapest one was then with service and everything almost €100.
Yeah.
So we're gonna skip that.
Around more than 3,000 baht.
No,
for 1
3,300
hour.
something. Lying on the beach. The beach in Bophut is maybe, the sand is maybe not as soft as it is on Lamai or Chaweng, but I think we prefer the vibe, especially to Chaweng, because Chaweng is really loud because of all the airplanes, and on Lamai and here you don't even hear them, but on Chaweng it is quite brutal. Now we are off to Fisherman's village. Hotel is located just right next to it, so we'll try and get dinner there. The street is closed to traffic every day from 6 to 10 p.m. This is where it starts. This is an Italian restaurant. We wanted to get dinner here yesterday, but they only serve Italian, and Italy is just so close to our home, so we don't go to Thailand to eat Italian. But maybe we'll get some drinks here.
Yes, and today is Wednesday, so one street right here next to the Italian restaurant is full with stalls, and they sell, I don't know why, so check it out.
We don't know what. And we have made it to the drinks and food section. We'll see if we like anything here, we'll have it here or not. We have actually already a favorite restaurant in the area.
But be aware, this is just on Wednesday.
Cannot resist sushi. when something is good, it's good, and then we recommend it.
Yes, and
we're gonna drop a pin where this is.
Yes, it's an excellent local restaurant. The woman is from
Chiang Rai. That's why the beautiful, excellent khao soi.
Also, the pad thai was good. The mango sticky rice, the best we had in Thailand.
Exactly. I didn't know that there could be such a difference in mango sticky rice. We will leave a pin to all these good locations. Waiting for the fire show. This is big science here. Actually, some bars have minimal spending. We'll leave the name. They don't have minimal spending.
And they have a normal menu with normal prices for Bophut. Of course, it's more expensive in other places around the country, but still for
Fisherman's Village, it's okay. Now let's see the show. Koh Samui is saying goodbye with the nicest sunset yet. Yep, let's show you the other side. Okay, favorite area?
Bophut.
Yeah,
And
for me
as
too.
well.
Chaweng is really for nightlife. If you like that, go there. But otherwise, I think they need to reinvent tourism there a little bit.
We also went to the other side, to the Lipa Noi. Very quiet. Too quiet for us, I would say.
We chose Bophut for the last part because it was our wedding anniversary, so a nice hotel.
And because we haven't been here before.
Yeah, I think this is the most family-friendly area. No sexy bars.
No.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions about Koh Samui, let us know, and see you next time. Have it on tape.